Let me show you how we can get always on display on POCO C85. Of course, we do not have always on display built in the phone. It is just simply not available, but we have third-party apps that allow us to get AOD. So let's just open the Play Store. Let's use the search. And what you can do is you can simply, for example, type always on display in order to try to find something. Of course, you should be able to find many different apps that allow you to get AOD. However, in my case, I'm going to use this one, Movies Edge. I've been using this app before. I think it's one of the best ones that is available in the Play Store. However, of course, feel free to try anything else in case this app doesn't work for you or if you don't like it for some reason. And not only it provides AOD, it also provides Edge lights, but of course, it's up to you if you want to use one or the other. So let's open it. We need to tap on the draw over apps in order to set it up. So let's wait for the next screen to appear. And once this menu shows up, we should be able to find Movies Edge in here, and then we can allow to display over other apps. And let's go back. There we go. Now we can switch to AOD in order to find many different AOD styles. Some of them are free, some of them are premium. So for example, I'm gonna use this one over here. In some cases, you can also edit the AOD in order to, for example, change a color or something. However, most of the time, it is actually not available for users that use the app for free, unfortunately. So in this case, unfortunately, we have to stick with the stock design. Unless you actually want to pay for that, that's completely fine as well. It's up to you. So let's say I want to use this AOD style in here. I can just simply tap apply in the bottom right corner, and that is pretty much it. Now, in addition to that, if needed, you can also open settings over here at the bottom, and you can go to always on display section in order to try to find some additional settings that you might want to use. For example, you can adjust the brightness, and we can find some other stuff in here as well. So now, once we close the app and once we lock the screen, we should be able to tap on the screen, I believe, or double tap maybe. I'm not sure why it doesn't want to show. All right, so let's actually go back to the app just in case I missed something. All right, so let's go to the settings, show on lock screen always. Oh, there it is. We have required permissions actually. So we need to go to other permissions and we need to enable these. So my bad, I actually didn't notice that. So let's always allow all of these options. I mean, the shortcut is probably, the home screen shortcut is not maybe really necessary, but I'm just gonna enable everything in here just to make sure. And let's see if this time it's gonna work. I actually unlocked it with my fingerprint sensor, unfortunately. There we go. And as you can see, we have AOD working quite easily. So that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.